By the end of this lesson, you will be able to make simple suggestions and respond to suggestions using basic English phrases. This is another Kevin's English Schools English learning video. What is a suggestion? A suggestion is an idea or plan to do something. Let's go to the library. How about watching a movie? Why don't we study together? We could have lunch in the cafeteria.
Let's play soccer after class.
That's a good idea.
Responding to suggestions. That's a good idea. Sure, sounds great. I'm not sure about that. I don't think so. Maybe another time. How about going to the beach?
Sounds great. D.
Maybe another time.
Why don't we visit the museum?
That's a good idea. E.
Role play. You and your friend are planning what to do this weekend. Take turns making suggestions and responding to each other. You can practice this with a friend or family member. Home study. Write 3 suggestions for activities to do with friends and 3 responses, positive or negative, to those suggestions. Let's go shopping. Sure. Key vocabulary and phrases. Making suggestions. Why don't we could, responding to suggestions, positive, that's a good idea. Sure, sounds great. Negative, I'm not sure about that. I don't think so. Maybe another time. By practicing these simple phrases and engaging in interactive activities, students will become more comfortable making and responding to suggestions in English. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed this video. Or Kevin will dance. You really don't want to see that. Believe me,